Road work ahead. Let's see what this is about. Road work ahead. Do you think it's more fiber optic on the other? So it's up that way. Let's go see what it is. We can turn around and come back. Something's happening. Let's see what he says. Slow. Okay. Let's see what this is. This is Franklinville, headed towards Cedar Falls. This is kind of like NC 22. Ah, yeah, the electrical work. See the big main jumper there? Got two boys up there at the same time. Three boys. Block off the church and the cemetery there. I'll go down the road junction and turn around and come back because I want to go to Riverside Park. I was just curious what they're doing here. See the main feed there? Well, they got another one down here? What's this about? Oh, it's for the, right, this is where I'm going to turn around. I'll use this spacious road junction. There's nobody behind me coming, nobody ahead of me, and I'll just use this beautiful intersection to turn around. They've been doing a lot of this in the area. It didn't start this year. They really did a lot of new stuff down in the Cedar Falls area, which if we had continued down the road, that's where it would have been. So I guess it's Franklinville's turn this year. This would be Duke Energy Progress. There's Duke Power. I don't know if it's Duke Energy or Duke Power now. Duke owns a whole bunch of regional subsidiaries. We used to be serviced by Progress Energy, but now they got bought up 10 years ago, whatever. So we got to stop, but it'll give us a view of those two guys up there working by the church near heaven. The guys are up there close to heaven next to the church.
Oh.
I always say wise guys things. See the candy cane? Now I'll just point out one more feature. There's a pedestal coming up here, right here. This used to be there used to be a tower on there. And that's how they kept up the water pressure for the town. Okay, there's beautiful Franklinville ahead of us. And Riverside Park's down there to the right, which is where I'm going. We come to a full stop. Steve A before y'all. Just having fun, saying see you in 73.